have or you implement as far as corruption is concerned, combating corruption is concerned. So the third is the use of EN gas, because the COA at that time was advocating for the use of electronic financial reporting. So that was the time where when the EN gas, or the electronic national government accounting system, was being implemented all throughout the bureaucracy. Next is this integrity check in the recruitment. Okay, so basically, we were saying that the first line of defense really is human resource, or selection of the appropriate employees to your organization. So that's again another preventive measure, trying to select those those applicants who embody your core values. Next is the institutionalization of a multi-stakeholder performance evaluation system. So basically, it's a mechanism where you get feedback from your customer, from your peers, from subordinates and superiors. So it's a multi-stakeholder evaluation system for performance of employees and officials. The next is the protection of the meager income of government employees. So under the law, well, the net pay every month of an employee should not be less than 3,000 at that time. Actually, today it should not be lower than 5,000. So that's there were in fact we had discovered that even in DSWD there were employees who were receiving net pay below 3,000 at that time. So this in a way help out in making sure that the employees are able to receive pay from the department, which would at least provide them a decent, not actually decent, but a net pay that can at least support their basic needs. And therefore, we were able to address concerns about loan sharks coming into the department. So we try to